Hey, this is Robert with a automotive quick tip. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching. In this little video, I'm going to tell you how to get the nuts off of the exhaust studs. Usually when you pull in the cylinder head and you undo the exhaust manifold, the nuts will stay on the studs, and it's primarily because of rust. What I usually do is I take the stud with the nut on it, I drop the washer, I make a little miniature bathtub of PB Blaster or some kind of penetrant that will remove rust, loosen up bolts, stuff like that. I soak them in there for at least 30 minutes. Then when I take them out of there, I screw them into the stud remover. This thing here is a stud remover. There costs about 15-20 bucks. You open that up with a 24 millimeter. If you don't have a 24 millimeter socket, the end of this is a 3/8 inch ratchet, so you can also use a 3/8 inch ratchet on the end of there to hold it, so you can tighten it with the large adjustable jaw to clamp down the teeth onto your stud threads. And I get a adjustable jaw, open it all the way up on mine, this semi-large adjustable jaw. It says 250 millimeters. Tighten it down in there. Then once I get it tight in there, I take it and I brush the end of it on the nut side. So from the nut to the end of it, I brush it either with a brass or stainless steel wire brush. You can hit it with something like that, and you can hit it with a wire wheel. Once you get that thing brushed off, you set it back in there, grab your 13 millimeter and turn that thing right off. It'll come off easy as pie. Then I put my adjustable jaw back on there, loosen that up until it's loose. I turn it 3 or 4 turns. I pop this thing here with my adjustable jaw and I pull the stud out. And I set the studs aside. Once I get all 10 of them done, I screw them in the back of the cylinder head. And that's it. Nice and easy. If you do not soak them in PB Blaster or some kind of penetrant oil, and you do not knock the rust off of the ends of them with some kind of wire brush, when you try to pull the nut off, the rust or dirt will get caught in the head of the bolt and nut, and it'll grab, it'll start destroying the studs, it'll start destroying the nuts, and I've seen them even break off, so you could turn this painful job into an easy job by soaking them for 30 minutes and then brushing the rust off of the ends of them. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.